All right, Brittany, you ready to learn cars?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. All right. What are you doing today? What are we learning first?
Changing oil.
Changing oil.
Yeah.
All right. So first things first, you got to pop your hood. So hood release latch, we already pulled. It'll be somewhere down to the bottom left or in your glove box. All right. Look at you go with your little release. Come on. All right. Now that you got your hood up, you're going to go bottom side. So in order to change oil, first things first.
I need a flashy light.
I got lots of flashlights. It's dark. First things first, we're going to need to find a receptacle, which around these parts, people like to fill them up and leave them out. So there's one right there. That's not the one I want, though. That one's gross. There's a roundy one. I'm going to find it for her. We'll be back. Hey, maybe we'll get you learning something on the Fiero. There you go. All right, we got our receptacle. We found it. Nice and empty, ready to go. You're going to be looking for the oil pan. It's going to be at the bottom of your engine.
Is there a possibility that this could be leaking oil?
Oh, most certainly. Okay, so you see here, this is called a loose bolt. That's not good. We're going to tighten that down. It's back here.
Ah,
but
found it, guys.
It's really easy to find your pan when it's covered in oil. But yeah, we're looking for that bolt, which feels like about a 15 millimeter. So the two things that need to be located are what?
Everything.
Brittany, pull your shit together. I need you to be smarter than
You gotta line your thingy with your bolt.
Well, you definitely need to put your pan under your drain bolt. But what two things? Here, give me a key. We're gonna look at you now while you look all confused. What two things need to be located to change your oil, Miss Brittany?
Oil filter.
Oil filter, which we found right here, bottom side. Sometimes they're on the top side, so you just kind of got to look around and find them. And drain pan bolt. There you go. So we're going to start by taking out that drain pan bolt. Then after we drain all of that and put it back in, we'll move to this oil filter so we don't make a big oil puddle on the ground. Because the pan can't reach them both. So I'm going to get you some tools.
I'll just lay here.
Why other people fetch me things is less times than I wish. All right, cracker loose, kid.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Oh, I gotta change this.
No, you don't. It's going the right way, ain't it? Are you pulling it towards you? Yeah. You got it, kid. You just gotta put some oomph into it, dude.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can. Do it. I mean,
Oh no, whoever did this, like,
okay, so
She's on there.
for time-saving purposes, I'll bring it loose for you. Whoa!
you're gonna break it loose for
They
me?
impact shot this? Here, hold this.
Okay.
I will, but hold your jewelry stash.
Yeah. Break it loose for you.
I will, actually, but that's only because I'm 350 pounds. There you go.
Car's moving, that's what's happening.
So, what you can do in these situations, if you don't have a chain around, is get a longer ratchet. There you go. And when it should get loose, then you can just finger do it.
Oh, that makes sense.
Now, you're gonna wanna, when you feel it get real loosey-goosey, like that, real fast. Oh, good move. How'd you do that? You barely even have any oil on your hand.
Well, I don't know.
I come out with a fistful of oil every time. That's a concern.
It's dripping.
If that's a concern, you may have had like a possum or a raccoon at one point.
Oh. Well.
You put the bolt back in?
Oh no.
You're gonna want to put the bolt in first so you don't spill oil everywhere. And then just give it a good, I like to give it one like ugga-dugga.
With this?
Yeah, you put that on there and give it like a
I guess that's the direction, right?
Yeah, make sure it's spinning to the right.
Good.
Did you give it a good I didn't hear it
You didn't hear the click?
No, you need to go, when you press on it.
I did.
Yeah, that's the sound we're looking for. Perfect.
Got her.
Nice. Now onto the oil filter. Same concept, righty tighty, lefty loosey.
There's not enough space.
Right here?
Yeah, that was super loose. Oh, I didn't even get it on video. Oh, it's too busy coaching. Oh yeah, bud. But two things to note here, right? There's two ways of doing this. So you can do what I've seen people do before, which I guess would technically be the most rightest way, which is you can take oil and fill the oil filter and then carefully put it in there and screw it in. But the oil pump will fill this so quickly that it's irrelevant. You can just put it in empty, boom, be nice and full and filtering. Kobe. Except there's no bag in there, but that's cool.
Who threw it and didn't?
Oh, look what you did. You ruined it.
No, I didn't.
Buy a new one. No, I'm just kidding. Just make sure nothing's on that O-ring. You didn't get any dirt on that?
Uh-uh.
All right, you're good. So the black rubber around the edge, if you're curious, that's what seals it. So that compresses a little bit.
But some of that oil rubbed off.
Well, that's fine. Just spread it around. But, I mean, it's not the end of the world. It's good to lube your O-rings. You realize you're wiping the wrong spot, right? The black edge
Right here?
on top. That surface, yeah, that.
Oh.
See how it feels like rubber?
Yeah.
Yeah, that rubber squinches a little bit, and that's what holds it sealed. Couldn't have said that.
Okay, I think I got it.
Can you get it any tighter?
No.
You can't get like a.
Did you not just hear me do the?
I'm talking like a real ugga.
No, I can't.
Okay.
Like, it's not moving.
Then it's probably good. I would never record something like this if it wasn't for the fact that you're learning and doing it for the first time, second time ever.
For second time.
Second time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good theory.
Okay. So you got your filter in, good to go. Let's pour it in. So,
Gertrude's gonna be really thirsty.
where can you find oil capacities, Brittany? If you need to know how much oil something takes.
Google.
Where else?
O'Reilly's.
Where else?
A book?
Which
Somewhere
book?
in the
Which
car?
book?
A book about Cadillacs?
No, come on. You were so close. The owner's manual. The owner's manual has that
Ow.
information.
Yeah, the owner manual, guys. I want to make sure y'all knew.
Court number 6. Down the hatch. All right, what's the final step?
All right, Gertrude.
What's the final step, Brittany?
Start it.
And then,
Back it out.
and then. This is an important step. This is honestly the most important step of this process. What do? We're gonna, you gotta check the oil. You gotta start it first and you gotta get it on a somewhat level surface. You can run and wash your hands. I mean,
Get a wipe or something.
I don't think, no, don't do that. Yeah, run in and wash your hands. Look how nice that interior is, dude. You can't be getting oil all over that and getting it all grimy. Come on now.
Just put a steering wheel cover on it.
That is the worst attitude. Look how clean it is. Look at what she was trying to just grab with oily hands. What a pig. Oh,
Clean hands.
clean hands, clean hands, not tearing up the nice steering wheel. The minty, clean
Damn,
1997 steering
I
wheel.
scooted it up and my foot still barely reaches.
Is that as far as forward as it goes?
No, she's
Okay,
still
yeah.
moving. Still moving.
There you go. Demo, that'll do. All right, so first things
washer
first,
fluid.
we'll check the oil. So you can turn it off. You can't check the oil with it on. Okay. Yep. In this vehicle, the thing that says engine oil is going to be the thing you grab.
Eight.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Actually, if you actually knew about cars, when you saw that label right there, it says North Star. You'd run for the hills. Oh yeah. Pull her all the way out. There you go. Wow, Cadillac for real? That ain't about the dumbest shit I've ever seen. Really? A brown dipstick thing? I thought Mini was the only ones crazy enough for that nonsense. All right, you see that range there?
Where it says max?
Yeah, and then Min over there. So you want to technically be in the middle of that, right?
Okay.
But it just, it may leak a little. So if you're higher, no big deal. You just don't want to be lower. So then you just stab it back in there, all the way down, and then pull it back out, and then look at where the oil's at on there. Let's see where the oil's at. Right in the middle.
Bam.
Perfect. All right. We're going to reset the check oil light. That's what we're going for. And the best place to get that information is Google. Yeah. Or your owner's manual. That will have it as well.
Is there one in here though?
The very right. See that info button? What's that one do? Yeah, hit that again. Hit that again. Hit that again. Hit that again. 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 Somewhere in there, you should have like a... There, right there. Now hold the left trip reset. Hold that. Actually, hold the info reset button next to it. There you go. Keep holding it. It'll turn to 100. I think. Ha ha!